I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of President of the United States
the office of President of the United States.
On his first day in office, President Donald Trump signed a series of executive orders, including withdrawing from the World Health Organization and the Paris Climate Accord. One of the most controversial policies that he introduced was a crackdown on illegal immigration, specifically targeting birthright citizenship. Trump signed an executive order to redefine birthright citizenship, a matter under the 14th Amendment of the US Constitution. He expressed confidence that the courts would support the policy, although it faces legal challenges. A federal judge in Seattle, however, temporarily blocked the executive order, declaring it unconstitutional. The ruling came after 4 Democratic-led states requested a restraining order to prevent enforcement of the order. The judge's decision was met with praise from these states.
That's a big one.
What about that one in the courts? That one is likely to be challenged.
Could be. We think we have good grounds, but you could be right. I mean, you'll find out. It's ridiculous. We're the only country in the world that does this with birthright, as you know.
Who argued that the policy was un-American and harmful. Trump's administration announced plans to appeal the ruling, with the president criticizing the judge's decision. Now, this policy also affects undocumented Indian immigrants in the US. The Pew Research Center estimates that there were 725,000 unauthorized Indian immigrants in 2022, and the US government has identified 18,000 undocumented Indian migrants. India has expressed its readiness to verify the status of these individuals and facilitate their return if they are confirmed to be Indian nationals, although the exact numbers remain uncertain.
We have always taken the view that if there are any of our citizens who are not here legally, if we are sure that they are our citizens, we have always been open to their legitimate return to India. So it's not a position unique to the United States. I do understand right now that there is a certain debate going on and a resulting sensitivity which is there. But we have been consistent, we have been very principled about it, and that remains our position, and I conveyed that very clearly to Secretary Rubio. I've seen some numbers. I caution you about them because for us a number is operative when we can actually validate the fact that an individual concerned is of Indian origin. So, we'll have to see sort of really how that goes, because it has, as I said, the basis of their stay or not able to stay, and the fact that at our end we have to verify that they are indeed Indians, because naturally there are sensitivities involved there as well.
At the same time, the Bishop of Washington National Cathedral criticized Trump's immigration policies, urging him to show mercy for those living in fear of deportation, including many who have sought refuge in the US from countries like Brazil, Colombia, India, and several others from the former Soviet Union. What will happen next remains to be seen. Bureau Report, India Today Global.